Louboutin Hot Chick actually never left, but Louboutin has been doubling down on this iconic silhouette this season, and I'm going to review the new Hot Chick collection for you. Time to unbox new shoes. Hi, this is Anja Lisa. In this video, I'm going to review the best Hot Chick models available in 2022. The year started with the Valentine release of the Chick Cup 150 in collaboration with Dr. Board, a 150 open-toe platform pump similar to Lady Peep, yet with scalloped topline resembling the Hot Chick, followed by a colorful summer collection and a fully fledged collection coming into the fall season. I remember buying my first pair of Hot Chick back in 2015. It was actually the Hot Chick 130 pumps. To date, one of the most iconic 130mm you can get, unfortunately not on sale anymore, as the Louboutin new Hot Chick collection height is up to 120, if you consider the platform ones, and 100mm for a model without platform. Before we jump into unboxing, here are a few main considerations if you are looking at Louboutin Hot Chick as your next designer shoes purchase. Hot Chick are one of the iconic Louboutin pump silhouettes together with Kate, So Kate and Pigalle. Each model has its own characteristic and is now possible to compare them on Louboutin website before you head to a store to try them on. If it's your first pair of Louboutin, I recommend buying in store as opposed to online, as well as checking out my Louboutin size guide. Once you know your size in Hot Chick, you can shop online to secure models that tend to run out quickly. Also, in case you are looking at your first purchase of Louboutin or first Hot Chick, I would go for an iconic colorway as opposed to buying seasonal colors. Shopping iconic, you never go wrong. And you will be looking at shoes you can wear forever in timeless occasions. That means going for a black patent leather or nude. Now, with the extended nude colorways offering more inclusive options to match all skin colors. As a first-time buyer, I absolutely recommend either black or nude, depending on your style. Red sole and black patent is a must in every wardrobe. The classic Hot Chick pump is only available in 100mm, both pump and slingbacks aside from the platform slingback, which are 120mm, similar to the new Very Privé. That said, it's cool they released flat ballerinas in similar style as backup shoes for long days out. In case you are a more seasoned shoe lover like me, then you will have a great choice this season in terms of exclusive colorways, from the Psychic Loubie to the summer colorways and pastel collection, which is absolutely stunning. Not only Louboutin has added more colorways to the Hot Chick, but also introduced a slingback silhouette with and without platform. I love slingbacks, and these are absolutely stunning. This is the Hot Chick Alta patent slingback pump in 120. Christian Louboutin fuses its iconic Hot Chick silhouette with an elegant slingback profile and features a scalloped topline. Crafted in Italy from shimmering patent calf leather and resting atop a 120mm stiletto heel. This sophisticated model is also available in black and enhanced by an open toe and slender lines for an elegant appeal. These are two classic models, the Hot Chick patent leather pumps 100 in black and nude. The Hot Chick is an iconic Christian Louboutin stiletto with a pronounced arch, deep décolleté on a very thin 100mm heel. The scalloped edges are hand-stitched, and this silhouette is an absolute essential for chic styling all year round. The glossy patent leather model is available in black, nude and also in white. To close, this is the Hot Chick Sling 100. The Hot Chick Sling in patent leather is a new Maison Christian Louboutin design, featuring a bold cut enhanced with a pointed toe and an ankle strap with V-shaped notches. It is set on a 100mm stiletto heel and available in this yellow new season color, as well as in black and pink. As you can see, this season there are many options when it comes to Hot Chick. If you are a first-time Louboutin buyer, I would recommend the classic colorways, but personally I'm totally in love with these pastel slingbacks. Thanks for watching my video. Let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite of these Louboutin Hot Chick, and don't forget to subscribe for more new videos.